Welcome. This is an unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So this is the next model, the Galaxy Watch Active. I did not really like the look of the Galaxy Watch Active. I never even picked it up. Now they did change the design on this one, and there aren't too many spec differences. It does come in 3 colors. We have Aqua Black, Cloud Silver, and Pink Gold, but there are also stainless steel options, and there are also LTE options. There's also a 44mm size and a 40mm size. This 44mm size comes in at $299, and the 40mm size comes in at $279. So really our main difference here is that we have a different look. It's a little more minimalistic. We now have a digital rotating bezel on this one, opposed to a physical rotating bezel as we see on the Gear S3 and Galaxy watches, but also features ECG technology, electrocardiogram, for an improved way to track your heart health. So in that regard, it is a bit more competitive with the Apple Watches, but let's go ahead and take a look. We have our watch on top. We'll see what else we get in the box. So this is our charging cable, and there's a little pad on the end of the USB-A cable to charge up. For the Gear S3, there was a separate stand that you had, but now this is all one piece. Plug that into your power bank to charge it up. If you want to plug it into a wall unit, you have options with this charger. Interestingly, white box, but black box for the paperwork here. All these other unboxings we've done with these white boxes, Galaxy Fit, Galaxy Buds, it's always been a white package. This time it's black. Now let's jump into the device. So here's the Galaxy Watch Active 2. This is the Aqua Black. Let's go ahead and boot this up. We have our similar button layout on the side here compared to other Galaxy Watch and Gear watches. We have a 1.4-inch display here on the 44mm model. The smaller 40mm watch has a 1.2-inch AMOLED display. So while this is pairing up, take a quick tour of the device here. Very slim bezels on this one, and even though this is the larger size model, this actually feels pretty minimalistic. Wow, so putting this on, I can already tell this is so much lighter than my Gear S3 for a point of reference. This is so much lighter, feels so much more comfortable on my wrist. This is a great fit. I'm really liking the fit of this. So we're now paired up. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch Active 2. So if you've ever used the Galaxy Wearables app before, this is going to be very familiar to you. You can go in here and set up various widgets. You can change what notifications you want to come to your watch. We can set some display settings if you want to have your watch on all the time. If you want to change your watch faces from here, you can also do that. We'll keep it on the default for now to give you an idea of that. So one of the biggest changes to the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is that digital bezel that goes around. Now I just noticed that it's actually not on by default. I'm not sure why that isn't on by default. That's one of the major new features of this watch. We now have that turned on. So we can go ahead and try that out, and wow, that's cool. So definitely feels a lot different than actually going with a physical bezel here, but it definitely works as intended. It feels really nice. It has really good haptic feedback. Every time you go to a new screen, it gives you a little vibration, so you know that you're definitely going through each one. So it's very quick. If you need it to be quick, you can go through a lot of screens at once, and it's also very specific as well if you need it to be. If you want to just go over 2 screens, it's very easy to navigate over. Really like that digital bezel on this one. I think I'm going to get used to it very fast. Here is the Gear S3, and here's the Galaxy Watch Active 2. This is a 46mm watch. This is a 44mm watch. And this also has the physical bezels, and is definitely a lot thicker as well. Overall is much lighter, but this gives you that almost same amount of screen space in a much more slimmer form factor. So again, just a quick first look here at the Galaxy Watch Active 2. Physically, it just feels really nice, super light, super comfortable. Really like the screen size on this, and that digital bezel is very nice. It works as intended. That's a huge new feature of this Galaxy Watch Active 2. The Aqua Black, it's just black. I'm not seeing any aqua here, but again, just feels great. Really looking forward to putting this through its paces and giving you guys a more in-depth analysis of the Galaxy Watch Active 2. But if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what you think of this Galaxy Watch Active 2. Please subscribe to the Shane Symonds YouTube channel today. Hope to see you around for the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.